So my prior role, I used to work for a traditional investment consulting firm out in the West Coast, and we served endowments, foundations, families, large pools of institutional capital. And so we covered all of the asset classes from equities to fixed income to private equity, other types of hedge funds, real estate. And so I sat on the manager diligence side. So my job at the time was to underwrite hedge funds and private credit, fixed income type strategies for our clients to invest in effectively. So like a financial advisor. And buddies and I, colleagues and I on the research side, we started watching Bitcoin in 2015, 2016, kind of go through that price discovery moment.
I think that was like the 900 to $1,200 swing, and then all of a sudden, I don't know if you remember, when it went from like 1,200 down to 150 one day, or what? Like not one.
Right.
And
Yep.
it's so funny too because I don't mean to interrupt you, but whenever Bitcoin goes down, I get more people calling me, more friends that I haven't heard from in a long time, just to say, "Oh, you okay? You okay, buddy? That Bitcoin stuff, we knew it was garbage." I'm like, is that the same for you? Like, whenever Bitcoin goes down, do you get those? Oh man, you had to know it was garbage, right?
I've received the message on both sides when we're going through this really big bull market and the price is really going. People are saying, "Hey, tell me a little bit more about this Bitcoin thing," and then vice versa to your point, when it's going through its bear market and it's down. I've incurred a 70% drawdown and have felt that pain personally. And people are love to kind of dance and say, "Hey, I told you so," and
Yeah, exactly.
you just have to be very zen about it and say, look, I know what I own. I know what this asset is. I know where it's going long term. I don't really care about the short term volatility or noise. And I'm here to be in the space for the long run. So a lot of it's just blocking out that noise and just really trying to educate people, right?